Secondary market, a flexible, seamless way to exit before maturity. Access your capital earlier with greater flexibility and control. Want to sell your portfolio? Log into your FinClub lender account. Go to My Investment, then Repayment Status. Select the loan and list it on the secondary market in just a few clicks. Once it is live, other investors can review and purchase your position. Looking to invest? Go to Live Loans and access the secondary market. Explore loan portions with full visibility on repayment history and performance. Choose the portfolio strategy that suits you, confirm your investment, and receive future repayments. For sellers, it means liquidity. For buyers, it means access to proven investments. A smarter and more flexible way to invest with FinClub. FinClub is regulated by the FSC. Terms and conditions apply.